Hey, good morning, Marissa. This is Tim Border at J.H. Barkau and Sons in Cedarville. And this is the 2018 Chevrolet Suburban Premier that we have available. It is the white one. We have this internet price at $61,952. You guys can buy it for $60,500. It was a General Motors factory exec, 22,000 miles. This thing was $78,550 new. One owner. Has all the stuff on it. Has the 22-inch pretty chrome wheels on it. The factory boards. Still carries the balance of the factory warranty. Like I say, this was a Chevrolet factory demo. Has a passive entry, heavy duty max tow package. The backup sensors, backup camera. It's very, very nicely equipped. These things are beautiful. This is the passive entry, so as long as you have the key fob, you don't ever have to get it out unless you want to do the remote start function. You just touch the pad and it opens. Power fold mirrors, memory seats, automatic headlamps with daylight running lights, auto track four-wheel drive, integrated brake controller, heads-up display that shows the number up here on the dash, StabiliTrak, reverse sensing, lane departure warning, power adjustable pedals, rain sensing wipers, forward collision alert that allows you to set the distance between the car you're following, heated steering wheel, your cruise control, voice activation, your driver information center buttons. This does have navigation as well as OnStar. Has the power sunroof, home link, rear entertainment DVD. Has a dual DVD actually, so the kids can all watch their own movie. This has the self-charging pad. If you have a Droid phone, you can just put it on here and butt it up against and it'll self-charge, wirelessly charge. With an iPhone, you do need to get the adapter to put and butt it up there. There's the headphones and all the remotes. Both remotes are with it, with a factory remote start. Heated seats and ventilated seats. Tri-zone climate control. Bluetooth hands-free phone. This has the upgraded MyLink audio system where you can actually plug a HDMI cord into it and watch high definition videos and everything on the audio system. Sirius XM satellite radio. Power liftgate with height adjustment. It's got it all. Has the black interior with the wood accents, the chrome trim on all the speakers. Has the outboard seats. The second row seats are heated, as well as a third zone of climate control. All kinds. I believe there's 11 auxiliary inputs in the side of this vehicle. The third row seat, of course, has the WeatherTech cargo mat system with it, and the cargo cover that covers up the back. No more fuel caps anymore. It just has the check valve in it. You just stick the fuel nozzle right in there. Power liftgate. There's the backup camera. All kinds of storage room. You guys have a Suburban now. This has the power fold seats for the middle row and the third row. Also has the Bose audio system. This thing is still like brand new. We like getting the factory execs because they've not been abused. The Suburbans all have LED lighting in them now. Active fuel management with the 5.3 liter V8. And it's a one owner. So check it out. Get with Dusty. Let's set up a time to have you guys come up and check it out on the 2018 Chevy Suburban Premier 4-wheel drive. Hope you're having a great Tuesday. Hope you guys have an awesome Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving. Tell Dusty hi for me. Talk to you soon. Bye.